The Four Friends. One day, a rabbit saw a bird planting a seed. The rabbit asked the bird,
"May I help you?"
"Yes," said the bird.
"You may water the seed."
So, the rabbit watered the seed. A monkey saw the bird and the rabbit. He asked, "What are you doing? May I help you?"
"Yes,"
said the bird and the rabbit.
"Please give food to the seed."
So the monkey fed the seed. Soon, an elephant came by. He asked,
"What are you doing? May I help you?"
"Yes,"
said the bird, the rabbit, and the monkey together.
"Please look after the seed."
The elephant looked after the seed. The seed grew into a little plant. In 4 years, the little plant grew into a tree. Big red apples grew on the tree.
"I cannot reach the apples,"
said the elephant. "I will help you," said the monkey. He jumped onto the elephant's back.
"I cannot reach the apples,"
said the monkey.
"I can help,"
said the rabbit. She climbed up the monkey's back and tried to reach the apples.
"I cannot reach the apples,"
said the rabbit.
"I can help,"
said the bird. The bird sat on the rabbit's back and plucked the apples.
"Now all of us can enjoy the apples,"
said the four friends.